Mr. Praveen Bhankara, Director, Solix Green Energy Private Limited. Mr. Radovan Kopacek, Head of the Department of Strategy and Education at ISC Konstanz, Germany. Come on everyone. And Ms. Sapna Shah. Come on ladies and gentlemen. We need to hear a continuous energy from all of you. By watering the plant, we show a symbol of growth, harmony and nurturing of new ideas. Come on everyone, can we have a louder round of applause for this new beginning? Thank you to all our leaders for joining.
Hello and very good afternoon to everyone. Respected members of the media and my Solix family and Mr. Rado from ISC Konstanz, Germany. Today is a very special day, a milestone that shines bright in Solix's journey of nearly 3 decades. It's a day that reaffirms our belief that India is not just part of the global solar revolution, India is leading it. At Solix, we have always believed that every light that shines bright as force behind it, unseen, uncelebrated, but always there. That's a force for us is innovation, perseverance, and our people, the driving energy behind everything we do. And it is that belief that has brought us here today to announce a landmark collaboration that will define the next chapter of India's solar story. We are proud to join hands with ISC Konstanz, Germany, one of the most respected solar research institutions in the world. Through this strategic partnership, Solix will receive comprehensive R&D and technological support for the upgradation of our upcoming TOPCon cell line and guidance in adopting next generation rear contact and tandem perovskite solar cell technologies. ISC Konstanz will also assist us in establishing a dedicated in-house R&D department at Solix, backed by their patented portfolio and deep expertise to ensure continuous innovation and the development of high-efficiency solar cell technologies right here in India. This partnership symbolizes what modern India stands for: collaboration, innovation, and confidence. It brings together German precision and Indian purpose, uniting two forces with a shared goal to make clean, efficient solar energy accessible, affordable, and scalable. And today, we take that spirit of innovation a step further by unveiling a breakthrough that makes us all proud. I am delighted to present India's first rear contact solar module, the TAPI Rear Contact or TRC. This is more than a new product, it is a statement of what Indian engineering can achieve when guided by vision and purpose. Powered by advanced rear contact cells, the TRC captures every ray of sunlight with remarkable precision, achieving up to 25% module efficiency and delivering 665 watt peak panel output, even under the most extreme weather conditions, with an impressive low temperature coefficient of 0.26% per degree centigrade. It ensures consistent performance even in high heat. Its higher power density means fewer panels are needed per megawatt which makes it more efficient and cost effective with 4.6% higher annual yield than standard TOPCon modules. It generates 1 lakh additional units per megawatt per year from the same area, enabling faster ROI. And it saves a lot of agricultural land also. Built to endure the TRC features, a robust double glass design that ensures low degradation and the long-lasting performance backed by a 30 years performance warranty and 12 years product warranty. It retains around 85 to 90% of its power output over decades, come rain, sun or snow. Even in cloudy or low light condition, its advanced design ensures superior low light performance and consistent energy generation, always ready to capture the sun. And with its sleek, all black, no grid aesthetic, the TRC is not just powerful, it's beautiful as well. It represents both from function, where design meets engineering precision. In every sense, this is a world-class innovation made in India for the world. And it carries forward the proud legacy of company that has been putting the soul in solar since 1995. That is Solex. Under our Solex Vision 2030, we are laying the foundation for the next era of Indian solar manufacturing with an investment of $1.5 billion to establish a fully integrated ecosystem for solar modules, cells, wafers and inverter. This is not just an investment in infrastructure. It is an investment in independence.
With a PhD in solar research, he has been at the forefront of developing high-efficiency photovoltaic technologies and fostering global collaborations in solar innovation. Please welcome on stage Dr. Radovan Kopacek, Head of the Department of Strategy and Education at ISC Konstanz, Germany, and a member of the Executive Committee. Welcome on stage, sir.
Yes, hello everyone. I'm so glad really to be here and a part of the Solex family. Thank you very much for the invitation and for the trust in our company. So maybe who does not know ISC Konstanz? Who knows ISC Konstanz here in this room? I think they are, yeah, in the front. Solex knows, but maybe the media does not. So first of all, let me say that photovoltaic technology will become the new oil. I mean, we have already seen the exponential growth everywhere, but I think still the people do not understand how important photovoltaic become. Even not the politicians in Germany. I think India already picked it up. You are going a very good way, but in future, photovoltaic will power 80% of our energy needs since 2000, I think in 2024. That means there are two things that are really now going up. It's artificial intelligence and solar. And solar will power artificial intelligence centers, and artificial intelligence will control solar. So this is, let's say, the future. And ISC Konstanz, we are already working since 20 years on it. So I am one of the co-founders of ISC Konstanz in 2005. We have founded ISC as a hub for German manufacturers. So we have been working together with SolarWorld, Bosch at that time, and many others. And already at that time we're developing back contact technologies. And unfortunately, Bosch stepped out of PV business because Chinese took over and they didn't want to play this low margin games. But we had the technology ready, and we went to India, to China, and did our first back contact technology transfer to China in 2018. I told you ISC Konstanz is already there for a long time, and we have identified with Solex really a very good partner in India who is very innovative. and going towards TOPCon technologies and back contact. You call it rear contact, and because of a good reason. And I'm very excited to go this journey together with Solex, because Solex is very special. They are not only building on Chinese technology and buying Chinese technology, but also wants to develop their own technology together with us. And this is what this cooperation will be about. And that's why we are building on technology with German machine builders, still Centrotherm and others. They are there to build good quality technologies and also to look into innovations. So the cooperation between ISC Konstanz and Solex will be something special in India. I mean, we are cooperating with other companies for a ramp up of TOPCon. There will be also some press releases that we are already out there. We have done 3 technology ramp ups for Indian companies, but this collaboration will bring the PV on a different level, because you are really the first ones who decided to go the innovative way, to go back contact, and we have the technology together with German machine builders. So what we will do in the next time, we are in close contact, and Solex and ISC Konstanz will ramp up the most modern TOPCon technologies first, already going towards back contact. And I'm very proud to be here and to announce with you before the REI. And we will have also some other meetings at REI, also to show the PV community that this cooperation will be driving India's innovation. And as I told you, India, I'm very glad to be here. I just come from a conference that we are organizing. There are not many scientific conferences in India, so we started the Gigawatt PV workshop last year, and this year it's a second edition. Actually, the conference is still running, but I decided to come, of course, to this event because of this invitation, because Solex is, of course, very important for us, and I'm very sure we will have a very bright partnership. So as Chetan already explained, it's a special technology, the rear contact technology from Solex, because it has no finger contacts on the front side. That's why the efficiency will be much higher. It has all the contacts on the rear side. And we are also developing bifacial technology, so back contact will not come only on rooftops, but it will conquer already also the utility scale in its bifacial mode. And this is what we will also target together with Solex. So this is the future of solar cell technology. You can see that on front you don't see anything, no finger contacts for the shading. And this technology, as Chetan already said, has also many more advantages. It's not only the higher efficiency, it has a better behavior during shading, so-called reverse current behavior. That means if the modules are shaded, the modules are not heated up very much, so the shunt will not be on the front side, and not only the front side power, but you can also see it is the aesthetics about the rear contact. And I think you will see it also on the full-size module later on. So, in summary, we are extremely happy to enter this cooperation. It will be the first time in India, as a couple of years ago we already transferred it first time to China, to SPIC, and I'm looking forward to go this interesting path together with you, and thank you very much for your trust. Thank
Come on,
you.
everyone, let's put our hands together louder. Come on, everybody. Would be better. Sir, can you please have you on this side? All right, congratulations to both the organizations for this new beginning, for this new partnership. on everyone, let's put our hands together once again, louder. Come on everyone, as you join us here. Yes, I was about to give it to you. Mr. Praveen Dhankara. Come on everyone, alright. And Dr. Radu. He's already here. Come on everyone, let's put our hands together louder for all our dignitaries and we'll do the countdown together. Alright, we'll do the countdown together. Alright, ready everybody? We'll do the countdown from 5. Alright, can I hear a yes? Alright. We ready for the countdown? Let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Louder, everybody. Let's do a big hand for this another milestone achieved in solar innovation. What a terrific clap.
Truly marks a defining moment in India's solar industry. Today, with our partnership with ISC Constant, we are not just signing an MOU, we are shaping the future of solar innovation together. This collaboration stands as a symbol of shared values, mutual trust, and collective commitment to make clean energy accessible to all. A very special thanks to you, Dr. Radovan Kopechek, Head of Department Strategies and Education, ISC Constant, for his inspiring vision and for believing in the potential of this partnership. Your dedication to advancing global solar research and empowering industries across continents continues to inspire us all. I would also like to thank Mr. Ligio Joseph from ISC Constant for his constant coordination and technical support, which played a vital role in bringing this collaboration to life. To our esteemed guests, media partners, and the Solex family, your presence today reinforces our mission to lead India towards a cleaner, brighter, and more sustainable tomorrow. Thank you once again for your trust, encouragement, and belief in Solex energy vision. Together with ISC Constance, we are moving closer for future where solar energy powers every home, every businesses, and every dream. Jai Hind.
तो ये आगे का सरफेस उनको पूरा मिलेगा और पीछे की साइड से भी वो सन तो रिफ्लेक्शन वाली लाइट से कैप्चर करेगा। फ़ायदा ये है इसी का कि जो हमें एक चैलेंज है सोलार के लिए कि जो टोटल 1000 वाट पर स्क्वायर मीटर का जो सन एनर्जी का होता है उसमें हम लोग सोलार ये पैनल से सिर्फ 25% ही की हम लोग पहुँचे। इंडस्ट्री काम कर रही है कि ये 25% जो मतलब 75% अभी बाकी है। बहुत सारा R&D होगा और फ्यूचर में ये एफिशिएंसी बढ़ेगी। तो दिस इज अ स्टेप टुवर्ड्स दैट इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ एफिशिएंसी।
जर्मनी कंपनी के साथ आप लोगों ने आज MOU साइन किया है, क्या MOU आपने साइन?
ये MOU इंडिया में ऐसा है कि हम लोग ने मैन्युफैक्चरिंग तो काफ़ी अभी कैपेसिटी बिल्टअप कर दिया है, लेकिन हमारा R&D में हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली ज़ीरो है। सोलार टेक्नोलॉजी की बात करें तो बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी R&D हो रही है, लेकिन वो कमर्शियलाइज नहीं हो पा रही है। हमारा सोलेक्स का अप्रोच ये है कि विदाउट R&D हम लोग बहुत लंबा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में नहीं जा पाएंगे। जो डिपेंडेंसी है जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ पे R&D पे टेक्नोलॉजी पे, वो हम लोग कम नहीं कर पाएंगे। इंडिया को सोलार का इंडिपेंडेंस चाहिए तो हमें R&D में भी काम करना पड़ेगा, अपनी खुद की टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करनी पड़ेगी जो इंडिया कर सकता है, लेकिन अभी तक वो अप्रोच नहीं था। सोलेक्स ये शुरू कर रहा है जर्मन कंपनी के साथ में, क्योंकि जर्मन दे आर द इनोवेटर्स। अभी तक जो सोलार की टेक्नोलॉजी है काफ़ी सारी टेक्नोलॉजी जर्मन्स ने ही इन्वेंट की है, तो हम लोग उनको वापस लेके आ रहे हैं, इंडिया में हमारे साथ काम करें और ये टेक्नोलॉजी जो एफिशिएंसी की बात है वहाँ पे हमें सपोर्ट करें। और इंडिया के जो हमारा यूथ है, जो यंगस्टर्स है, जो फिजिसिस्ट है, जो केमिस्ट है, इनको एक मौका मिले कि R&D में हम लोग अपना खुद का कुछ कर पाए, जो अभी तक मौका नहीं था। जो फॉरेन जाना पड़ता था उनको, जिनको भी अपने ये करना था, वो इंडिया में क्यों डेवलप ना हो, ये हमारा एक ऑब्जेक्टिव है।
लास्ट सवाल है, इंडियन कस्टमर्स के लिए कितना फ़ायदेमंद होगा ये आपका?
इंडियन कस्टमर्स के लिए सबसे फ़ायदा ये है कि हमारे यहाँ जो एक तो लैंड कम है, लैंड बहुत महंगी है और बाकी का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी जो करना पड़ता है वो भी कम हो जाएगा। इससे लैंड की रिक्वायरमेंट भी कम हो जाएगी। 2010 के अंदर 1 मेगावाट सेटअप करने के लिए हमें, जैसे मैंने कहा था, 7 एकड़ लैंड की ज़रूरत थी, वो अभी 2.5 एकड़ लैंड की ज़रूरत पड़ गई। तो काफ़ी लैंड बच रही है हमारे यहाँ। इतना ज़्यादा सोलर करना है तो लैंड अवेलेबल भी हो रही है, तो ये बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा है।
तो सस्टेनेबिलिटी के लिए हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है ये।
तो ये जो सोलेक्स का पहले से हम लोग जो 30 साल से बिज़नेस में है रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के, तो हमारा हमेशा यही रहा है कि जो भी कर रहे हैं वो सस्टेनेबल वे में करें, और हमारा खुद का काम और जो हम लोग प्रोडक्ट भी बनाए वो सस्टेनेबल बनाए। हमारा जो सबसे बड़ा हम लोग जो जिसके लिए बहुत प्राउड है कि हमारा जो वर्कफोर्स है, इतना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहे हैं, जो वर्कफोर्स है वो सारे हमारे यंगस्टर्स है जो ट्राइबल बेल्ट से आते हैं, आदिवासी है। आदिवासी लड़के विथ ITI एंड डिप्लोमा बैकग्राउंड, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़े लिखे भी नहीं है, लेकिन आज विश्व का सबसे ज़्यादा मोस्ट मॉडर्न रोबोटिक प्लांट आज वो लोग ऑपरेट करते हैं, और ग्लोबल क्लाइंट का जो रिक्वायरमेंट होता है क्वालिटी का वो भी फुलफिल करते हैं। तो ये बहुत बड़ी एक ताकत हमने एक बनाई है, और यही ताकत को हम लोग आके लेके जाएंगे, और इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट जो कर रहे हैं इनके भरोसे करेंगे।
ठीक है सर।
सर, इस इनोवेशन की सबसे बड़ी तकनीकी खासियत क्या है?
इनोवेशन में क्या है कि आज हम तो टेक्नोलॉजी बिजनेस में हैं, हम लोग इनोवेट नहीं करेंगे, नई टेक्नोलॉजी को समझेंगे नहीं और नई टेक्नोलॉजी को अडप्ट नहीं करेंगे, तब तक ये बिज़नेस के अंदर सर्वाइव होना बहुत मुश्किल है। हम हमेशा चाहते हैं कि हम लोग इंडिया को और विश्व को एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी जल्द से जल्द ला के दें और कमर्शियली वायबल ला के दें। तो ये खासियत ये है कि जो भी टेक्नोलॉजी हम लेके आते हैं वो कमर्शियली भी अफोर्डेबल है।
सर, इस सिस्टम को क्या आपने भारतीय मौसम के अनुसार बनाया है, कैसे?
ये जो है एक ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी है जो कि लो लाइट में, मतलब आप फॉरेन में भी जब सन बहुत लिमिटेड होता है तो लो लाइट में भी आप ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा जनरेट कर सकते हो। कितना भी ज़्यादा सन है, सोलर पैनल में ऐसा है कि जितनी टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा इतना एफिशिएंसी कम हो जाता है। तो ये टेक्नोलॉजी ऐसी है थी कि जी टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट उसका बेहतर है, मतलब टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा तो उसका डिग्रेडेशन कम होता है जो नॉर्मल ट्रेडिशनल सोलर पैनल होती है। ये एडवांटेज है। तो आप हीट में है, स्नो में है, सी कोस्टल पे है, कहीं पे भी है, ये पैनल का एफिशिएंसी, ये टेक्नोलॉजी का एफिशिएंसी बेहतर है।
थैंक यू।